say you'll come back soon. You say you've just been busy. You say you think about me. I try to believe you. I sit in the same chair you've seen 1,000 times. The door still sounds the same. When someone walks inside, I still look up, just in case it's you. I don't need much, just a little time, just to feel I'm still on your mind. After I pass away, you'll wish you came around. You'll talk about the good old days when I'm not around to hear the sound. You'll say you love me, I know you do, but love shows up, that's the truth. I was here, I was alive. You just thought there'd always be time. I see you laugh, moving fast. You look happy, I'm glad. I don't wanna be a burden, I don't wanna make you sad. So I stay quiet, I let it be. I tell myself you remember me, but days turn into months, months turn into years, and I learn how to live with what's not here. You don't mean to hurt me, I tell myself that too, but not meaning to, still hurts when you do. After I pass away, you'll stand by my grave. You'll cry for the time you never gave. You wish you called, you wish you came, you wish you said my name. I was here, I was alive. You just thought there'd always be time. Jesus waits with open hands. He forgives, he understands. I try to be that kind of man, but I still late when you don't come. After I pass away, you'll feel it then, not because I left, but because you didn't come in. You wish for one more talk, one more drive, one more day. When I was alive, I was here, I was alive. You just thought